It's that time of the year, the time when we finally unwrapping the brand new iPhone 13 Pro Max and check out the specification that Apple has packed into the latest smartphone. At first glance, it seems no much change. The device features similar design as the last year model, but there are subtle differences. More importantly, there are all-round upgrades in the core aspect, and we'll be bursting upon themselves as I took through the unboxing and the first impression of the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video and let's start the unboxing. So speaking of the unboxing, the device comes packed in a slim box, which apart from the phone themselves include a lightning to Type-C cable along with usual documentation. As expected, there is a no wall charger or earphone included, and one key difference this time is that Apple has got rid of the plastic wrapper and instead opted for more eco-friendly paper wrap instead, all part from the brand efforts to do a bit in taking care of the environment. Anyhow, moving forward, design wise there will be the same bulky flat look that we saw last year, so no big surprises there. The new iPhone 13 still have much discussed a very noticeable notch on the top of the display, except that the Apple has reduced the size of the notch by 20% this time. The difference is very subtle though, and I'm sure Apple will be bringing the Face ID next year and it's going to be hidden because come on guys, the most advanced smartphone in the world shouldn't have a notch that big. Another noticeable difference is that the cameras are going to be upgraded. The iPhone 13 Pro Max is going to be coming with new sensors that are going to be larger, and the overall camera bump is going to be a little bit on the thicker side. The larger camera sensor means that we have more light and the night photography will be improved even further. Well, that said, let's focus on the new stuff, and it seems there is enough to talk about here. The first thing is first, the display. For the very first time, Apple is bringing a high resolution refresh rate to this goodness and has been reserved for the Pro models, termed as Pro Motion, and the feature brings variable refresh rate that can cover different figures starting from the 10 Hz going all the way up to 120 Hz of refresh rate for different application. Like if you have a text that you want to scroll, it will use the 10 Hz refresh rate, but if you're playing a game which support the 120 Hz of refresh rate, then it will definitely use that 120 Hz refresh rate on there. And then there is a new 5nm A15 Bionic chipset that powers all the 13 series iPhone, boosting faster, smoother performance and including a new 5-core GPU inside, which is going to be absolutely amazing because the performance of the GPU will improve your gaming, your overall editing is going to be much more improved. Also, the A15 Bionic promises better machine learning, improvement in the computational photography, and a long-awaited better power efficiency, which we're definitely going to be looking forward by thorough testing. Perhaps the biggest upgrade for the iPhone 13 Pro Max is the sensor shift stabilization, which is now coming in all the sensor in the iPhone 13 Pro Max, which is definitely going to be a great improvement. So expect a better low light shots and improved blur control when shooting videos. And of course, the Pro models are coming with triple camera setup. We now have a new telephoto camera which offers 3x of optical zoom, but as far as my testing, the performance is a little bit on a jitter size. It's not much improved. Another new feature boosted by the Pro model this time is the macro mode that allows shooting stills and videos with subject as close to as 2 cm. The dedicated night mode is now supported by all 3 cameras on the Pro models too, and both the wide and ultra wide sensor can take in even more light than before, so expect your night shots to look nothing less than persistent. While the iPhones are widely regarded as best when it comes to shooting videos on the go and can even show Dolby Vision, but the key highlight this time around is the new cinematic mode, which is supported by all 4 models. Cinematic mode promises movie-grade video recording with features like focus transition on the fly while shooting as well as posting videos. As you can see in the video, it has easily shifted the focus, while also there is going to be a new photographic feature which is going to be improved, where we have different options which we can choose in order to customize our looks and feels, or overall the general science or color science you can say of the camera apps, and you can easily use that color science and edit them in your videos and photos. Moving forward, substantial gains are in offering when it comes to battery life too. The iPhone 13 Pro Max has the biggest battery right now, and it will go a 2.5-hour improvement in the battery as compared to last year models. So guys, overall, as I said before, the iPhone 13 series might not look too different as compared to the last year model, but it's still coming with some biggest upgrades, and most importantly, the most of the upgrades seems to focus on core aspect like performance, camera and a battery life. So overall, my general experience is that this device is looking great when it comes to photography, performance and overall battery usage. If you have the iPhone 12 mini, you can definitely upgrade to the iPhone 13 mini because it has a new battery upgrade. Other than that, I don't think that it is much improvement in the iPhone 13 Pro Max. And you guys, that is it in this particular video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here because some amazing content is planned for this amazing device. Thanks for watching this video. Peace.